Sparky, wanna play bird? Play bird? Yes, you wanna play bird? He's a good doggy. Hi, Lilu. Lilu. Hey, hi, hi, hi. There you are. Good girl. Play bird? Play bird? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Hold on. 1 second. Okay. Hold on. Hi, Atticus. Hello. Okay. Oh. Oh. We got one. We got a fish. Big one. All right. Drop it. Good girl. Good Lilu. Ah. This is very hard to film and play bird at the same time. My poor birding skills. All right. Drop it. Okay, good. Ah, Sparky. Okay, drop it. Zzz. Okay, let's give it to Lilu. No! Okay, that's enough. Okay, stop it. Sparks. That's enough. Sparks. Okay, here, Lilu. Here you go. Oh, it's in her tail! Oh no! Oh, phew. Good Lilu! Yay! Good girl. Okay, alright, all done. Happy Father's Day from Atticus and me and the girls. Love you.